When I'm done making shoji panels or kumiko panels, I like to put some paper behind it. I think it looks really nice. It's pretty normal, traditional for people to put paper behind them. Rice paper. In this case, I use a lot of Japanese awagami and rui paper, which is tissue, and it really absorbs glue pretty quickly. So you cannot put a lot of glue on the back of this. Now, traditionally, you'd probably mix up some rice glue, which means you got to cook some rice and then mix it with water and make sort of a glue out of it. Now, I've tried this and had little to no success with the consistency of that. So what I normally do is I take some wood glue, and wood glue works pretty well. It's on there permanently. That's the downside with using wood glue. I just use my finger and I go around. And on large kumiko or large shoji panels, it can be quite time consuming. It can take quite a few minutes just to apply the glue, and then it's a little bit inconsistent, and I have to go back and put a little bit on afterwards. So the other day I was in the my local hobby store and I saw this roller, which I believe is used for block printing or screen printing. I'm not quite sure. Um, it's sort of a hard rubber roller, and what I found is if I thin the wood glue out with that roller and really get it to a nice consistency, I can just go over the whole panel with that, and I get almost no squeeze out. I do have to occasionally go in with a Q-tip and just clean up down at the bottom, but it's extremely consistent. I like it a lot, and I thought I would pass it along to you. Maybe this is well known, but if not, hopefully it helps.